Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and in today's video I'm going to be cutting my hair and I'm excited, so if you want to see how my bangs turn out, keep watching this video. And before we get started, I'm just going to say some things about my hair. So my hair right now, it's like a little past collarbone level, and as you can see my hair is curly to wavy, and I've never seen a video for cutting hair, especially bangs, for Asian females who have curly hair. So I hope this video will help my fellow Asians with curly hair. 3 things you need for this video are hair cutting scissors, I got mine at Target, a rat tail tooth comb, this will make it easier for you to part your hair, and then you need a hair clip or a ponytail just to section off your hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is part my hair in the middle. To help me do this, I'm going to use the end of my comb and find my widow's peak, and that's where I'll split my hair down the middle to section it off. You see my hair is in the middle. Now I see a lot of people do the triangle method, and it's when they like part their hair by forming a triangle. To me, I don't really like that method because as you can see, it's a triangle. There's a lot of hair on the top portion, so it will make it really thick in the middle when you cut it. Instead of that, I'm going to be sectioning my hair in a semi-oval, semicircle. So what I do is I take my 2 fingers and then I go at the ends of my eyebrow, and then I go forward and then I curve fingers so that it meets. Then I'm gonna gather the rest of my hair and clip my hair back. I'm going to use my comb again to make any touch-ups needed to fix a section of my hair. Okay, so your hair should look something like this. So to get the front bangs, I'm going to be working in sections. I'm going to split this horizontally just because I want the front of my bangs to be very thin, like Korean see-through bangs. Now I only have the front part of my bangs. We're going to brush your hair forward. You can thin it out more if you want, just do by section. It looks too much for me, so I'm going to section it off one more time. Okay, so this is the front part of our hair. We're going to do the sides later, and you do not want to pull your hair down like this because as you could see, it makes my hair straighter, and if you cut your hair while you're pulling your hair down, it's going to make your hair be a lot shorter when it's actually resting on your head. So instead of pulling it, you just want to hold it. First, I'm going to cut below my nose to see how everything is. Okay, put your hair in the middle and see how it looks when it's pushed to the side, and then you could keep bringing it to the front. Cut it however short you would like to cut it. Because my hair is curly and it shrinks when it's dry, I'm going to cut mine below my eyes so that when it curls, it'll probably reach my eyebrows. And instead of cutting straight across, I'm going to cut my hair downwards and point my scissors upwards. Okay, so it looks like that. So I'm going to trim this part of my hair that reaches above my eyes below my eyebrow. Now I'm going to do the same thing to this side. When you think you're done, you just want to brush it out, see how it looks. I'm going to go over to the sides and section some pieces out to frame my face. Take this piece and cut it however long you want to cut it. For the side pieces, I cut it the same way as the front pieces and worked in sections. And then when you're done, you just kind of want to brush everything out. So it's getting darker outside and I put water in my hair, you guys tomorrow what the finished product looks like. Also, since I'm missing more pieces in the middle here, I'm going to take this section, a little piece of hair, and cut it. And lastly, I'm trimming the hair above my eyes for the final look. Okay, it is the next day and I watered my hair and put my conditioner, and this is what my bangs look like. As you can see, it is much shorter because my hair is of course curly, but if I do flatten my hair with a flat iron, press it like this, you can see that it is longer. I don't think my short curly bangs are that bad. I think of this Instagrammer named Tashi. She has really beautiful curls with short hair and short bangs that go across her forehead. Also, as a disclaimer, this is not a hair cutting tutorial. This is just how I cut my bangs and this is how it turned out. And hair grows back, so I'm not really that worried about my hair. My hair grows back pretty fast. So if you want to follow this video and cut your hair, do it at your own risk. Don't blame me, whatever happens. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe to be notified when I will post more videos in the future. I do not post regularly. I don't know when I will post. I just get so busy with school and it's hard to edit videos, and I've been on break, but I haven't had the chance to actually vlog or plan and make videos except for this one. If you have any suggestions, please type it and leave it in the comments down below. Anyways, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!